Hello everyone on YouTube. I hope y'all can hear me over the lawnmower. My husband is cutting grass. I'm out here enjoying some of the sun and my garden and my corn. I'm excited with the growth of my corn. Last year my corn did not do as well as it's doing this year. I'm going to show y'all. So yeah, see the corn? It's doing good. This year what I did differently was that I shortened my rows and I put them in a close-knit community. They have very little rows and they're right up on each other. Last year all I had was just one long row and it did terrible. But this year I'm liking the turnout. I'm liking it. It looks nice. I like how it's turning out. My little garden. So yeah, I'm excited about my corn. And since we got a good rain the last 2 days, I can see where my okra is coming out. And the squash is starting to look a whole lot better in the garden. So yeah, it's looking good now. It is. So just giving y'all a little update on my corn. Soon my okra, I can't wait for them to start doing what they do. I cannot wait for my okra. That's my favorite vegetable, if y'all can't tell. But that's it for now. Y'all have a blessed afternoon. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.